Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. And today's video is all about preparing for our very first winter storm here in Georgia. Now, this is new for me, but not for my husband. He was born and raised in Ohio, so winter storms are nothing new to him. But for me, coming from the Philippines and California, this is a whole different experience. So we're heading out to Home Depot and Kroger to stock up. And let me tell you, some shelves were already empty. Clearly, everyone else is getting ready too. We're gonna show it later. For now, we just arrived here in Home Depot. As we walked through the aisles, I realized how different this is from what I'm used to. Back in California, we dealt with earthquakes, wildfires, and the occasional heavy rain. But snowstorms and freezing temperatures weren't part of our everyday life. My husband, on the other hand, grew up with real winters in Ohio. He knows the drill. He knows what to expect, and he definitely helped guide our shopping list. So we moved on to emergency items. We picked up a flashlight, an emergency light, and extra batteries. My husband also made sure we grabbed a snow shovel, something I've never owned in my life, and a few other tools in case the driveway or walkway gets icy. It felt a little surreal for me, but for him, it was like muscle memory. And since we're learning and preparing together, I wanted to share a quick list of things that helped us get ready. Whether you're new to winter storms like me, or you've lived through many like my husband, these reminders can make a big difference. Tip number 1. Stock up on essentials. This includes water, non-perishable food, baby supplies if you have kids and babies in your house, and any medications your family might need. You don't want to be stuck without the basics if the roads freeze or stores close. Even if you think you have enough, double check. Winter storms can last longer than expected. Tip number 2. Emergency lighting. Power outages are common during winter storms. Flashlights, lanterns, batteries, and backup power sources can make a huge difference. We picked an emergency light that can run for hours, just in case. Even having a flashlight in every room can help you feel more prepared. Tip number 3. Stay warm. Make sure you have blankets, extra layers, and safe heating options. If you have a fireplace, check that it's ready to use. If you rely on electric heat, prepare for the possibility of losing power. Warm socks, gloves, hats, and layers can help you stay comfortable even if the temperature drops indoors. Tip number 4. Snow tools and car safety gear. Even if you're not expecting heavy snow, having a shovel, ice melt, and basic car supplies is smart. A small emergency kit in your car with blankets, snacks, and scraper can be a lifesaver. My husband insisted we grab a snow shovel, and honestly, I'm glad he did. His Ohio experience definitely came in handy. Tip number 5. Stay informed. Weather can change quickly. Keep an eye on local alerts, weather apps, and community updates. Have a communication plan with family members in case you get separated or lose power. Knowing what's coming helps you stay calm and prepared. This one? This one? Or the plastic one? That might go. So it's either this one or that one.
Yeah.
What do you think, Bobby? What do you think, Bobby? Bobby, what do you think? We need it.
If there's ice.
Huh?
If there's ice, it's gonna have to be metal. Otherwise, it's gonna break.
Mm. We're good. Huh? Bajing, bajing, bajing. No.
Choose your payment type. Would you like an e-receipt? Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
Thank you for sharing. What's that smell? Dada. Dada. Thank you, Dada. Uy, the tummy, uy. The tummy cold, uy. Wait. Ah, my milk.
My milk. Oh, I can't live without my milk.
There you go. Milky time for the bomb. There you go. Next up is Kroger, and there's the empty shelves that I'm talking about. And yes, everyone else is getting ready too. Anyway, as a parent, preparing for a winter storm looks a little different. It's not just about staying warm, it's about making sure our little one are safe, comfortable, and fully taken care of. So, I wanted to add a few extra tips, specifically for moms and dads who might be preparing just like we are. First, make sure you have enough baby supplies to last several days. That means diapers, wipes, formula or milk, baby food, snacks, and plenty of warm clothing. Even if stores stay open, icy roads can make it hard to get out. So having a small stockpile brings a lot of peace of mind. And second, think about comfort items. For toddlers and babies, familiar things matter. Keep their favorite blanket, stuffed animal, or bedtime items close. Storms can be loud, and routines might shift, so anything that helps them feel secure is worth having ready. Third, prepare for warmth. Make sure your child has layers. warm pajamas, socks, hats, and blankets. If the power goes out, you'll want to keep them bundled and cozy. My husband reminded me that kids lose heat faster than adults, so staying layered is important. And then the fourth, have activities ready. If you're stuck indoors, especially without power, simple toys, books, coloring supplies, or quiet activities can keep little ones entertained and calm. It's amazing how much a few small distractions can help during long hours inside. And finally, keep a small emergency bag for your child. Include essentials like snacks, a change of clothes, diapers, wipes, and any medications they might need. If you need to move to another room for warmth or comfort, everything is already in one place. These little steps make a huge difference when you're preparing as a parent. It's all about staying ready, staying calm, and keeping your little one safe and comfortable through the storm. So, yeah, we are almost done. So, I hope that this video help you guys prepared if you have the same situation like us. This video will help you prepare for the winter storm. So guys, continuing the weather update. As you can see in our video yesterday, we go to the store to buy the essentials for preparation for the this coming weekend winter storm. And today, right now, the weather is 47 degrees Fahrenheit. So let me show you outside for an update. So yeah guys, this is our backyard and it's Thursday, and right now the temperature is sitting at 47 degrees Fahrenheit. Honestly, we are so thankful because the weather is not nearly as bad as the news originally predicted. Praise be to God for keeping things calm so far. Later today, they are saying we might get some rain, so we'll keep an eye on that and see how things develop. As for Friday, the forecast shows it should feel pretty similar to today. Cool but manageable. But the concern is the weekend, according to the latest updates. Saturday and Sunday are expected to bring freezing temperature, so we're still preparing and staying alert. If you're in the area, make sure you're ready to keep warm, stay safe, and yeah, Saturday is quite the same as what we have right now.
Yes, hello guys. So here we are. Today is the Sunday morning, guys. So that's our weather update. So yesterday, let me show you. There, this is better. Look, you guys, it's freezing. There's ice on the other side. It's freezing. As you can see, those are freezing ice. It's so cold outside, you guys. You can see there's ice right there, ice right there, and then ice right there. So it is. Look, you guys, there you go. So it is freezing. What's the temperature, Dom? It's ice on the roof. So it's ice. So maybe it's like what, below 40s? 32? So maybe below 32s. Yeah, so that's 24? Oh, 34, but feels like 24. So yeah, it's so cold outside. Oh, you might drop that one, Bobby. So yeah, guys. So we'll see. We'll see later. So it is just starting to ice. So we'll see later. Come on. What's your one? Your fingers, mommy. And then my big boy here, huh? It's light rain. Yeah, and then right now it's like light rain. Yeah, so we'll see later. It is raining and cold. Yep. This is 1:14 p.m. Cold outside. And our weather update. Sunday. It's gonna rain until tonight. Let's see.
So yes guys, 6:02 p.m. So outside, as you can see, the ice melts. So praise God. And I want to share a verse that brought us a lot of peace during all this preparation. But before that, let me show you what is our Monday morning. So we started off at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Even though it's cold, you can see the sun shining, and honestly, we're grateful after all the warnings about the weekend winter storm. Things turned out to be not as bad as expected. Praise God for that. So Isaiah chapter 41 verse 10, so do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. In moments like this, when things feel uncertain or unfamiliar, it's comforting to remember that we're not facing it alone. Preparation matters, but so does faith. See you in the next vlog.